Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21 and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes. So at first you have to click on the camera button here, and now we have to go to the more advanced settings from the standard photo mode. So we have to tap on this button in the left corner here. And as you can see, at first place we have the intelligent features, and here we have the scan QR codes. So by tapping on this we can easily turn it off and also turn it on when we need this. And this is useful because when we keep turning it on, we don't need any other app to scan QR codes. We can do it by just using our camera. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.